Hello, welcome to the Arise Academy. My name is Deepak Kumar. Today we are going to cover a new topic. Like we need to use the index match instead of VLOOKUP. Like we have the data of the raw data that is containing few column name, which is expiry, location, state, region insured, and so on. Few of the value. We have the column name is policy that is containing a unique value, and before the unique it is containing some alphabet like it PB. But in our main data the policy is containing the unique value, but there is no PB at the beginning. So we need to extract these details like location, region, and construction. So how can we do this without using the VLOOKUP? So if you are looking, the policy is at the column H, and look at the location is at column C, and the region is at column E. So in that case the lookup will not fetch these values, because VLOOKUP is always fetch the values from left to the right. So with the help of VLOOKUP we can fetch only the construction column, but the region or location we can't fetch these values. So using the index match, how can we fetch this value? Let's look at the formula. So first of all we will use the index, and the first argument is the array. So what we are looking, we are looking the location. So go to the main sheet, main data, and raw data, and go to the location and select whole column. Next comma, then come to your main data. As you come to the main data, the next argument is the row number. We are not looking any row number, we need to search the policy number. So with the help of the match we will use the lookup value. The first is the lookup value, but in that case the lookup value is the policy, but in the policy we need to add the PB and the beginning of whole the column. So how can we add? So in that case we will use the concatenate, and concatenate will ask you the first text one. So in the first text we will mention the AB comma, next we will comma, inverted comma, give the blank hyphen comma, next text 3 will be our policy, and bracket close, that would become our lookup value. Now comma, it is asking the lookup array. The lookup array is policy which we are already selected, and go to the main sheet, we will select the whole column of the policy. So next comma, it will ask you the what kind of uh, the third argument, find the largest value is less than or equal to lookup value. Lookup array must be placed in ascending order. So we will use the exact match, and bracket close, and last bracket has been closed. You will get the answer. I think, oh, just wait. We I have just changed the why it is not fetching, because uh, it is PB not AB, as a PB, because it is mentioned in the in policy, it is PB not AB. So we have successfully fetched the value of the location, and copy and drag your formula at the end, you will get the location name. Now come to the region column. Again we will use the index, and it will ask you the array. So first array we will be using the region comma, next will be asking the we will use the match and use the concatenate using the pb we first text, and the second will be your hyphen comma, the third text is will be your policy number bracket close comma, then lookup array will be the policy number comma, and the we are looking for the exact match, first bracket close for the match and second bracket close for the index, and hit enter. You will successfully get the region name. Now drag this formula at the end, you will get the all region name. Now come to the index now. So index, we will again use the index and go to the raw data and select the construction, select comma. Now look at match, index, look table array is all of construction comma, and come to the main data, give the match lookup value. We need to create the using the concatenate pb comma and slash hyphen comma, and that third text will be the policy bracket close comma lookup array. Lookup array will be the policy name, policy number. The policy number is column h comma, what kind of the match, exact match, and right, it already helped me hit the at. So we will successfully fetch this value of the construction and copy and paste, drag the this formula at the beginning, at the end. So you have successfully fetched the location, region and construction without using the VLOOKUP. We can say that index match is the reverse of the VLOOKUP, because VLOOKUP always fetch the value from the left to the right, but in that case we can use the index match because we have the values onto the left hand side of our data. So we have successfully fetched, and thank you very much.